I am Hasibur Rahman. Hello Hasibur Rahman. How can I assist you? What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It refers to the practice of optimizing a website, its content, and various online elements to improve its visibility on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. The goal of SEO is to enhance the website's organic, non-paid, search engine rankings for specific keywords or phrases, ultimately leading to increased traffic and better online visibility. SEO involves a variety of techniques and strategies, both on-page and off-page, to make a website more search engine friendly. Here are some key aspects of SEO. Keyword research, identifying relevant keywords and phrases that users might search for when looking for content related to your website. On-page optimization, optimizing various on-page elements such as titles, headings, meta descriptions.